Hello students, let us see this question here. It is saying if a charged particle goes unaccelerated in a region containing the electric field and magnetic field, then four options are there. So let us see, there is a reason. It is right. The question is saying there is a region in which electric field and magnetic field both are there, and a charged particle enters in this region and it is unaccelerated. It means the total force becomes zero. So you can say like the force due to electric field plus force due to magnetic field, right, it is equal to zero. So we can say then only the total force will become zero and the charged particle will be unaccelerated. So or we can say like the force due to electric field is balanced by force due to magnetic field. So the force due to magnetic field is perpendicular to B vector, right? You can say like this force, right, due to magnetic field, that is FB if I write here. So force due to magnetic field is perpendicular to velocity vector and B vector. So right, this force is perpendicular to velocity and B, and this and this. And second thing I can say, right, the force due to field, right, the force due to B vector and force due to E vector must be anti-parallel. Must be anti-parallel. Why? Right. Why this is happening? Right. This you know already. Right. This is from the concept classes. The force due to magnetic field is always perpendicular to velocity and magnetic field. So this you know already. And since the total force, right, so total resultant has to be zero. So this implies these two vectors must be anti-parallel to each other. So from here, from these two, I can conclude that since the electric, right, force due to electric field is anti-parallel to this force, so the force due to electric, right, the force, right, this one must also be perpendicular to this. So from here, this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So from these two equations, I can conclude the force due to electric field, that is this, right, must be perpendicular to velocity vector and B vector. See why I am writing this, because the force due to magnetic field is perpendicular to this and force due to electric field is anti-parallel to this. So from 1 and 2 I can conclude the force due to electric field must be perpendicular to this. So this is the conclusion I am drawing here from equation 1 and 2. So let us see, based on this conclusion, let us see which option is matching here. So we will see electric field must be parallel to B vector. No. Right. Velocity vector must be perpendicular to E. See, right. Velocity vector must be perpendicular to E. So option 2 is correct. Velocity must be perpendicular to B. Right. Nothing is there because this is conclusion. E vector must be perpendicular to VB, right? E must be equal to VB, that is also not required. So only one option is coming here, velocity must be perpendicular to E vector. Okay, so option 2 is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.